The Hydrojet high-pressure power washer is designed in such a way that it fits with almost all the standard garden hoses. Please read the instructions below to use the gadget properly. Step 1. Make sure the black O-ring securely fits within the connector grooves to prevent water leakage. In case it is not fit correctly, water will leak out of the washer. Step 2. Now attach the Hydrojet with garden hose by tightly screwing both the connectors tightly. Please make sure that the connectors are tightly screwed. Step 3. Ensure a tight fit by screwing the connectors straight and not crooked. This will prevent water from leaking. Step 4. Activate the water flow by lifting the lever. Stop the water by switching the lever back to its original position. With this lever you can control the water level. Step 5. This step is optional. The Hydrojet power washer includes 2x nozzle tips that can be changed. Screw on the nozzle tips tightly to ensure smooth water flow. You can use any of the tip depend on your purpose of use.